Hi, today we're unboxing our Super Mario Lego box.
That's
And
the...
It has Mario, a mystery block, Goomba, Bowser Jr., and the flag and this tube thingy.
What is that? Super Mario Rebuild Your Course. That's the starter course, which we have the Mario,
Who sings?
who I guess he sings, it says here. Press on play. What else?
A Goomba that gets squashed.
Apparently they jump. I don't know how. But the batteries are not included. Smart device required, but not included, which is probably our phone or your iPad.
Yeah.
And brick and color recognition, music and sound, many fun reactions. Press on to play. Bing. So let's start unpacking. Do it this way. Let me help you. Oh. Can you hold it? To get the box. That's why. There we go. There we go. There we have it.
There's some pieces to build Mario in here.
Probably
From
here.
his pants. Here's his hat.
Yep. And there's more here. And of course, the
Instructions.
instruction. Yes. Okay. Let's build it and we get back soon. Bye. So the very first step we have to do is to
Make Mario.
make Mario. For that we need a screwdriver,
Which is over
which
here.
we have in here, and 2 batteries. There we go. So let's do the first step. We just realized that to get the Mario done, there was this tiny box which we never found here. And then we thought, oh my god, something is missing. But no, look at that. And then we open again in the box. And what we have? Aha, a tiny box. Let's open it. What do we have there?
Mario.
Be careful, because this is something that breaks for sure. Whoa, that is so cool.
And we even found a hat.
Yep. There we go. That's what is in the box. That's
Mario with only one hand.
probably. This is where, yep, we turn it on and off. The Bluetooth. Yeah, let's see. Let's build.
So we found Mario's pants over here, and we have to screw drive him.
There we go.
This is where we put the batteries so he can sing.
Let's put the best battery we have. After all, that's Super Mario. For the best, we use the best battery.
Yeah, the super battery for Super Mario.
Minus, minus, plus, plus. So be careful with the pulse of the battery. Then we close it, right? Not too much. And then we put the paints on.
Wrong way.
Yeah, let's put those 2 yellow details in here.
2 yellow buttons. Now I wonder how he's gonna work.
So he says for us to press on. Can you press? That's so cool!
That is awesome.
Look at that.
Oh, look at that.
Lego Mario time! He blinks.
That's awesome. Oh.
We are still building. But we just built Goomba.
And it's awesome.
We are going to try to do something. Turn it on. And I think we're going to try to destroy Goomba and also see if we can get a coin. Try it.
And he gets a coin.
Yep.
So we're gonna test out the first course. 60 seconds.
That is so cool.
And then he gets 1 coin
Yep.
for doing the whole thing. We finally finished building it, and we needed to get an app store to build it.
But we built our own course.
Miles.
That's how it becomes. That's the start point. And then we go here. We have this.
And Bowser Jr.
Then we have Bowser Jr. And then we have finally the flag. Right? So let's show you guys how this works in action. Yes,
So that's it. Bye.
that's it. Very cool.